The polenta was fantastic. I love cheesy grits, and this was a great way to replace those. I swung by the grocery store and got ready for a big full day of demo. I cooked for myself and about 50 other people just on a sidewalk here in West Palm Beach, Florida. This Ace Hardware was run by a 40-year veteran in the hardware space. I was excited to get his feedback and hear from his fantastic staff.
Doing a demo, figured it was a great chance to make myself a lot of food and share the technology with all kinds of folks passing by.
The GoSuns were a real crowd pleaser. I made all sorts of food, and I must have fed around 30 people. Wholesome meals too. I had enough sun and decided to go inside to see what some of the other brands are doing in the cooking space. There are some amazing ways to burn stuff and cook your food outdoors. After feeding everybody some lunch
Cornbread
and a little dessert, cookies,
and
I
more.
went to try to figure out where GoSun should focus its energies next in trying to meet mainstream consumers in America.
Hey Joe, so tell me about your experience with GoSun. What do you do here?
Well, we've had them for about a year. We're a big green egg dealer. We sell a lot of grills. I just thought it was a great idea, especially after hurricanes or if you fish. We have a lot of boaters and fishermen. It's just a really cool idea because it's no fuel. Everything comes from the sun. People are interested. They like to hear about it. I think it's a cool product. We cook on it once in a while here in the store just to show people. We've actually raffled off 3 of them, and the people that want it love it, they use it, and they tell me about it. Maybe show more kinds of food that can be cooked on it, on the point itself, how easy it is to set up, just the instructions or even just a little video that can run with it.
The day wrapped up with some scrumptious cornbread and a rocket launch over Cape Canaveral.